we call Mr. Bima. Please, the time is yours, Mr. Bima.
Thank you, Mr. Gia. Banyak ya. Selamat siang semuanya. Nepangkeun Nami Aldi, Bima. Alright, so kan saya guru bahasa Inggris, jadi perkenalan pakai bahasa Inggris, ya. Tapi rada getar good afternoon. Let me introduce saya. His name Bima. A33 English Communication.
May bohongan.
That's before I learned English. So let me fix for you. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Bima. I was coming from Sukabumi, West Java, Indonesia, and I've been working at the hotel since 5 years. No, it's kidding. So I working in the hotel since I graduated from the senior high school. Now I'm still senior high school. And my last experience is become a duty manager. Do you know Grand Aston Hotel? Yeah, I have been working at the Grand Aston Hotel for around 3 years. And now I'm also pursuing career to go to work abroad in the cruise ship. And also I have passed the 5 agency from now. So those agency, if we can mention, is Royal Caribbean and also Carnival Cruise Line, Ratu Oceania Raya, and then Skye, and also the last is Seaboard. So yeah, I'm spreading the CV, so that's why I can choose either which is company that want to hire me faster. And the winner is Carnival. So I think today or this batch, it's my last batch in here. After your batch, I will going abroad to Miami, to Florida. So yeah, let's do our best. Okay. So as Mr. Gilang said that I will be the English instructor for Belitung classes. We will divide it into 2 groups of these classes. So the first one will be staying here at Sumbawa, and the second one will be going to Belitung. Belitung have a little bit challenging situation because they have the, we call it the heaven stairs. So you have to climb up. It's around 70 stairs. Yeah, it's a fourth floor in Belitung. So prepare yourself, yeah. Okay, so is anyone curious that how to make a career in the hospitality before, or anyone in here have been working at the hospitality before, especially in the hotel? Raise your hand. Do you have worked at the hotel before? All right, gentlemen, 1, 2, 3. We'll start from the corner. What is your position? Kitchen. What is specific kitchen? Cook helper? Steward? It's a cook helper. All right, and the next one? You? Housekeeping. It's a room attendant or public area? Both of them? You sure? How do you divide the schedule? You become a public area once and become room attendant? Oh, really? Which hotel? Alright. So, hey, Bandung Setiabudi. Which hotel name? Huh? The name of the hotel?
Oh, Bandung Setiabudi.
Oh, alright. And the next one?
Housekeeping?
Housekeeping? Yes, of course. Mas kumisnya sangat-sangat mengintimidasi saya. Okay. So, which section you are in the housekeeping? Sectionnya apa? Public area kah? Rumah tenda kah? Rumah tenda? Okay. Alright. Since we are having the short introduction, so I want to play a game. And please give the mic to the corner. Alright. So I will give you an example. You will pass the mic after your yourself. Introduce yourself. Okay. So I will give an example like this. We skip the boring introduction because 101 is yawning already. You're sleeping? Alright. It's okay. It's hard in here actually. Yeah. Alright. So the example of introduction will be like this. First of all is your name. Second one is your age. And the third one, can you guess the third one is? Experience? That's boring. Your favorite animal. Okay. So you have to pull up your favorite animal like this. So I will give an example. Bima, 33, dragon. Okay. After that you pass the mic. Okay. Mas mengerti? Alright. Okay. That's good. Start. 3, 2, 1, go.
My name is Parawan. I'm 28 years old and I love lion.
Lion. Oh, wow. Okay. Sad. Okay.
So my name is Andika. I am 18 years old and my favorite animal is cat.
Cat. All right. Okay. Can you yawn like a cat? All right. Let's make it more interesting. Okay. You don't have to start with my name is Bima. No. Just straight to your name, straight to your age, and then straight to the animal that you like. Okay? We will make it more interesting. So, whether the animal that your friends say, you should be mimic the sound. Alright? Okay? So, you have to be focused on your friends. After that, it will be your turn. The mic will be crossover, right? Okay. Please. So focus on your friends. Okay. Get ready? Alright. Good. Let's go. Ditirukan suara hewan yang dia suka. Good. Okay. After that, after you finish, you can pass over to my Alright. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm 25 years old. My favorite animal is
What? Alright. Barking. Okay. Next Jeremiah.
Muhammad Adnan, 32 years old.
Okay.
Wolf.
Wolf. Okay, come on. Straight like wolf. No problem. It's okay. Alright, you hear that, Akbar? You hear that? You hear that, your friend? No. Akbar is not hearing. Akbar is not hearing you. Okay.
Ate jangan gitu mau.
Okay. That's it. Oh, right. You're hearing. Alright. Okay. Next.
Sandy, 36, Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. Do that, Shinji.
I don't know what is Spinosaurus.
It is what it is. You can give the example how to sound a Spinosaurus.
What is
Like a T-Rex. Yeah.
What?
Roar. Okay, next. We have a time here. Come on.
Russia, 19 years old, lion.
Lion. Lion is easy. Lion. Rawr. No, it's not that. Alright. Is this? Lions don't sound not sound like that. No. Okay. Lion, as you please. Come on.
The cute roar, maybe.
Make it roar.
Wait.
I'm waiting. It's good. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's more like professional lion. Okay. Alright, next. Rizky? 19. Eagle. Ya. Eagle. Kalau kamu nonton si Tretan sama Coki itu ada eagle. Nah, oke. Oke, next.
Fabian. Lion.
Lion. Seems lion. Roar. Okay. Next. Come on.
Fiona, 22 years old, a bird.
Bird. What kind of bird? Anything. Any kind of bird.
Ada loh, ada mamang guru.
It's perkutut bird. Okay. You finish? Will, let me hear that. Well, that's not Oh, okay. All right. Next. Okay.
My name is Ferdi. I'm 19 years old. Lion.
Lion. Since everybody likes lion, actually. Yeah.
Warnanya singa ya.
Roar.
Selain
It's a smiling lion. Okay. All right. Next.
My name is Firdaus Ajit, 23.
Forget the face.
Yes, 23. I don't know. 32 maybe. 23. I remember your height. Okay.
My favorite animal is monkey.
That's amazing sound. Can you do it with the gestures? Of course. Okay. Next.
My name is Raka. My old 22.
Okay.
22 years old.
Favorite animal mustache?
My
huh?
favorite
No?
wolf.
Oh, wolf. Okay. Wolf. I'm afraid when Raka said mustache, mustaches have a sound like that. Okay, next. Next, Raka.
Okay, so my name is Dylan, 19 years old. I butterfly.
Butterfly.
Gimana suaranya?
Butterfly.
So slide. Okay.
We count it. I'm waiting for a mosquito actually. Okay. Come on.
My name is Muhammad Rifan Rizal.
How old are you? 19?
I'm 19 years.
Okay.
My favorite animals, horse.
What is it?
Horse.
Horse.
Oh.
Horse. Okay. Next each other's.
Article
Tico, yes?
22.
Uh-huh.
Komodo.
What is that?
Komodo.
Komodo. Like that. Does anyone not see that? Okay.
I don't know how sound.
As you please.
Bro, kiss me.
Actually, Komodo has no sound, so
Like,
I
You just blow the mic. Alright. Okay. Come on. Next.
My name is Nicky. I'm 38 years old.
Uh-huh.
And my favorite animal is crocodile.
Crocodile.
Oh. Hari ini kemana?
I love you.
Bukan. Crocodile say like this. Kalau aku jalan yang marah.
Aku ini kamu doang.
Like a crocodile.
Itu mah
I'm
tinggal.
crocodile.
You're not a crocodile? How about this? Aku chat ini ke kamu doang.
I love you.
You train with me. Okay, alright, next.
My love is now 21.
Uh-huh.
House.
Four. Okay, alright.
And son, 19 years old. A fish.
A fish. Okay. That's great. Nailed it. Okay, let's go.
I really 25 years old. I like ant.
And
Suara semut.
That's like my prophet actually. Okay. Alright, okay.
Muhammad Zakaria, but you can call me Zach or Jack.
Jack?
Yeah.
Like Jackie Chan? Okay. Alright.
25 years old. Cat.
Cat. Very cute cat. Alright, next.
Reza, 20 years old. Go.
Goat. Okay, it's goat. It sounds a sheep, I think. Because it's shy. Okay. Alright, okay, next.
Rizky,
Uh-huh.
28 years old.
28 years old. Pig. Oh God, pig. Yeah. Alright, okay. Let's go.
Muhammad Ilham Hidayat,
Uh-huh.
28 years old. I'm working as
Frog. Okay, next.
Iwan, 33, S.
Cat. Okay. Oh, so a lot of cat lovers. It's a hunting cat. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's go. Next.
Okay, my name is Lydia. I'm 19 years old and my favorite animal is maybe sheep.
Sheep. A sheep.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
My name is Cindy. I'm 24 years old and I like camel.
Camel. Camel. Camel. Have you heard about camel? No.
Even in our farm, there is maybe.
Do as you please. ما في مشكلة. Okay. Okay, alright. Take your microphone. Okay. Alright. Okay, next.
Felicia, 27 years old, dolphin.
Dolphin. Oh, dolphin. No, not like that. Okay, alright. Alright, okay.
Cindy, 27 years old.
Uh-huh. A cow. Alright, okay. Next.
Adriani, 30 years old.
Uh-huh.
I love cat.
Cat. Okay.
Meow.
Okay.
Gege, 30, wolf.
Wolf. Alright. Okay, next, Maya.
Maya Tanzania, 30 years old, shark.
Shark. Shark. You know shark?
Baby.
Okay, next we have last. No, last, yeah? Okay.
About 20 years old, and I like whale.
Whale. Okay. Huh? You hear that?
Huh?
You hear that? This is the mimicry, the whale. Okay.
Whale.
I'm joking around. Okay, alright? Okay, it's finished? Alright. Okay, so actually the classes will begin at the Monday, and then you are expected to be coming here for about 15 minutes before, and that's when Mr. Gill will be separating the classes. And I've been teaching in this LPK around 2 months from now, and I'm just past the batch number 22. You are 23, right? How many percent here, I believe? 31? Okay, 31, 22. Okay. All right. So, do you have any question about where's to be working in the hotel, or maybe such a complaint, or maybe tips and tricks, or maybe the sound of the dragons? It's not needed. All right. So, who can ask? I give you 3 questions. Here I will answer. Okay, gentlemen.
I need a tip for speaking like.
You need a tips for speaking like me. Oh, well, actually, my speaking is bad, though. All right. So, if you want to be a fluent in speaking English, you need a partner. You need a partner to speak with you every day, every time. And it's my personal tips that I can speak like this because I know a lot of vocabulary. So that's why when you are knowing all of the vocabulary, it will be easy for you to speak. But first of all, you need to be brave. Don't worry you making a mistake, because from the mistake you can learn. And after that, you can fix it and try to speak well. So yeah, that's all. You need a friends. From now, you choose a friends. Maybe later on, just pray with him. Okay. Yeah, later on. Okay. Ya, kamu harus punya teman bicara. Ya. Kalau sekarang ada AI, bisa tuh pakai AI, pakai voice. Kalian bisa. Tapi lebih enak sama orang, karena kalau sama orang kita langsung tatap mata, gitu ya. Presence-nya beda. Gitu. Tapi kalau tips dari saya untuk bisa bahasa Inggris, terutama ya, saya tidak terlalu memusingkan tentang grammar, structure, dan lain-lain. Tidak, walaupun kalian akan belajar. Saya lebih concern ke vocabulary sama English for practical. Gitu sih. Okay, the last question.
Nanti udah ini mau masuk sawah dulu, mau terbangkan.
Alright, okay. The last question. Alright.
How to be confident to speak English?
How to be confident? To be confident. You have to train also. You have to train to speak in public. So first of all, maybe you start to discuss with 2 of your friends. After that, maybe you can start to learn to speak or presentation in front of your classes. After that, you have to try to speak with the strangers. So yeah, that's how I can have this stage of confidence. I'm trembling actually, you know. Okay, but you have to be confident. And there's a pro tips actually. When you are going to my class, I will tell you. Okay. All right, it's a little secret between us. Okay. All right. The last question is. All right.
How to handle it in one way, the first in the
How to?
how to handle the guest in different accent.
Okay. Well, actually, when you are having a foreigner guest in the cruise ship or near in the hotel, because I know all of you maybe it's not have a chance directly to going to work at the cruise ship. Because you know, to work at the cruise ship, you have to be minimum for 21 years old. Right? There's a lot of you 18 and 19. But for you, maybe you are can be directly. I mean, and anyone in here can be work at the cruise ship. I mean, okay. So how to encounter the foreigner guest? Actually, if I don't know the languages that we speak, we can easily use a translate. Or if we don't hold any phone or translate, we can use a body language. Actually, yeah. I'm trying to speak with Arabic person before I know the Arabic. He's going to the front office and he said, "Mat'am, fan, mat'am." I don't know actually. I don't have a translate, and he all mat'am. I don't know what is mat'am. I say what? Mat'am. What is mat'am? Mat'am. Oh, you want to eat? Yeah. I want to eat. Go to the restaurant. Down floor. Down floor. You say down floor. Okay. So we are using the emergency body languages. But you know, after you are having a several interaction with a foreigner guest, you will be motivated to learn the languages, because trust me, if you can speak it with another languages, it will boost your confidence. Well, actually, I have some language in my dictionary. Actually, now I can speak whether in the English, Japanese. I can speak Turkish and also Arabic. Anyone here speak Turkish? Japanese? Little bit.
Yes.
本当ですか？
はい、そうです。
本当です。どこにジャパニーズ勉強する？
私は勉強するので、日本語が日本で3年修了し
あ、そうか。ちょうどに日本で、N1、N2、N3、N4。
私は日本語の試験持ってないです。
あ、待てないですか。はい、ありがとうございます。Artinya, ada yang kurasa tidak terima. Tadi saya tanya dia belajar bahasa Jepang gimana, kan? Terus dia jawab. Terus saya tanya levelnya mungkin M berapa, M1 sampai M4. Dia belum tes katanya. Gitu. Oke, tepuk tangan. Alright, I think this time is the end of the classes and speech. I miss you already, but yeah, I have to learn this Monday. Okay, thank you very much. I will be back with you. I'm staying at the number 6 gate actually in here. So if you want to have a discuss or anything like that, you can reach me out with the WhatsApp numbers or you can knock my door. Okay, when I'm asleep. All right. Okay. So this is Mr. Danny. We'll continue your program today. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.